Hi, welcome to Pharma Basic. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the basic science formulas used in our daily life. So first one is the speed. Speed is equal to distance by time. That is S is equal to D by T. So that is the formula for speed. Second one is the velocity. Velocity is equal to displacement by time. That means V is equal to S by T. S is the displacement, T is the time. Third one is the acceleration. Acceleration is equal to V minus U by T, where V is the final velocity and U is the initial velocity and T is the time. And that is the acceleration. So in this picture, let's know about what is the distance and displacement. If a object travel through this path from point A to point B, these objects will be travel in this path. So this total path is called distance. But what is the displacement? Displacement is the shortest path between these 2 points A and B. So when we connect these two lines in a straight line, this will be the shortest path and it will be the straight line, and this line is called displacement. This distance is called displacement. So displacement is nothing but it is the shortest path between any 2 points, and distance is the total path is traveled by an object. That is the distance. So force F is equal to ma. It is the Newton's second law. F is equal to ma, where m is the mass, a in the acceleration. So force is equal to mass into acceleration. So pressure is equal to P is equal to force by area, F by A. So work is equal to force into displacement. Power is equal to power P is equal to work by time. That is the power. So kinetic energy K is equal to half mv square, where m is the mass of the object and v is the velocity of the object. Potential energy Pe is equal to mgis. M is the mass, G is the, and H is the height. Now coming to the electricity, Ohm's law. Ohm's law is equal to V is equal to IR. In that we can find out the I is equal to V by R, or R is equal to V by I. That is the Ohm's law. Electric power P is equal to V by I. V into I. V is the voltage, I is the current. Now resistance. If we connect 2 or more resistance in a series connection, then the total resistance will be R1 plus R2 plus R3 and so on. And if we connect the resistance in parallel, then it will be the 1 by R total is equal to 1 by R1 plus R2 plus R3. This is the, if we connect in parallel connection. So this is the series connection, 1, 2, 3. So this is the parallel connection, 1, 2, 3. This is the parallel connection. So now coming to the light and optics. The first is the refractive index. Refractive index N is equal to C by V, where C is the velocity of light in a vacuum and V is the velocity of light in a medium. That is the refractive index. Mirror formula, 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U, where F is the focal length, V is the object distance, V is the image distance, and U is the object distance. And magnification m is equal to hi by ho. Hi means height of image by height of object. So these are the basic science formulas. Thank you.